Another wave coming. Oh my God. Well, hello everybody, welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. We made it down to the beach this morning and it's a little gloomy today.
Yes, but we got a really low tide.
Yes.
I think like almost, you know, minus 0.50.
It's a minus, hence where we're at. Look at,
all the way
we're basically, we're on the reef right now, which normally would be underwater. And yeah.
It's really nice because we can see all the like anemones,
yeah.
and starfish,
sea stars as Katie calls them. And we're getting a little bit of sun out, so it's kind of nice. Every once in a while
it's kind of coming in and out. Yeah, it's nice, but it's a good day. I think we needed a nice walk. We're very fortunate that we actually can like walk on the beach during this time.
Totally.
But even when we see people, we're still social distancing. The few people that we do see.
Yeah.
Just being safe and
like, hey over there, how are you?
Keeping us positive though. It's keeping us positive. So we're thankful that we can share this with you, and hopefully it'll make you kind of feel that you're out walking.
Let's take advantage of this low tide and start cruising.
Yes.
See what we can find.
Let's go.
So we have this cool front loader backpack for Binky.
You got it on Amazon, right?
Yeah.
You got it for me.
Yeah, it was. I think it was like 20 bucks or something. It wasn't expensive at all.
It's called a
Outward Hound.
Outward Hound.
You know, like Outward Bound.
Raise the woof.
Binky likes it because
you can exercise.
Well, especially when we're trying to take a walk and Binky's so busy on safari and sniffing all the females possible, and we're like, come on, dude.
Not to mention she has exercise intolerance because her heart doesn't pump as efficiently as a normal dog.
Right, so we don't want to wear her out, so we just, you know, strap her on. Here we go. Yeah, so we're getting one of those nice moments of sun right now. It's breaking through just
it's just enough.
Just a little bit to give us a little bit of, just enough to give us this better lighting, and it just feels better to have the sun out in general.
I love this. Like, I love being able to kind of like jump from rock to rock type thing.
Oh yeah.
You know?
Well, it's like being on another planet when the tide is low.
Where?
There's a guy right here, big guy.
Buddy.
He's solo. He's like, I go to social distance because I got the virus and my family's over there on that rock over there.
Oh, look at them! I didn't even see that.
Yeah, they're hanging out.
How cool.
We found a sandpiper, although he could be more specific than just a sandpiper because he's got that straight beak. Some of them have like a curved beak. There's oyster catchers, they have like a red beak. So I'm not sure, I could be wrong, but he's like some form of a sandpiper. Searching for some grub.
Glossy effect.
Yeah, I mean, look at the reflective nature of it with the sky, and it's just like right here. It's like glass right there, and then you got a little bit of a river kind of running out right there. Look, it's like a channel. You see it?
Oh yeah, I do see it. Wow, that looks cool.
Being fed from this side right there, and then
there it comes in.
This side, and then oh yeah, here it comes.
Woo!
Little hydrodynamics at play here.
Look at how pretty the sky looks right there. It's almost like an ombre. It's all sunny, and then you can see how it like swoops in.
Like this right here, you can see this sandbar too. Look at that.
Yeah, you really can.
It's funny now, you're such a vet. Like, remember, well, you were a vet tech, but I mean a vet as in a veteran. About the beach now, because I remember originally I didn't even think you knew about tides, right?
No, I didn't understand that, like, you know, I had no idea. I was like, oh, it's just beach all the time. Like, yeah. I kind of knew about tides, but I didn't know how it would affect everything. Like how much it affects too.
TBL, man, TBL.
Tide-based lifestyle.
Know it.
Literally, I will schedule like, oh, I need to go to the grocery store, but the tide's low, so you got to do your walk now. Yeah. Go to the store later. Yeah, it'll be more crowded, maybe a little more traffic, but I'd rather get down to the beach. You know, like it's just crazy. But I think it trips me out most is knowing how like the moon affects the tide. Like I didn't understand that as much
everything.
Either.
Yeah.
It's just wild. And then we have moon signs and sun signs.
Yeah.
I'm a Leo for my sun sign.
So out there is Palos Verdes Point Peninsula, Palos Verdes Peninsula basically, and on the other side of that is Long Beach. That is basically the bottom of the Santa Monica Bay. It starts down there, it hooks all the way around, and then, well, you can't really see Point Dume today, but it's up there, and that's the top of the bay. Giant, big old, curved, circular bay. Look at that, it's even got purple in it. I don't know if it reads on camera, but man, that is cool. It matches your sweatshirt.
That's so cool.
It's so thin and worn down. Fragile. That's why you can see the purling on there.
It's so pretty.
Awesome. Snail.
There's a sea creature I just found.
Oh, there she is.
Hello, sea creature. Like, what do you guys want?
Some more color, look. That purple is nice, huh? It just stands out. Amazing. Okay, we've come into a boulder zone, but we don't have far to go until we reach actual sand right there. We're close.
I gotta be careful because of Binky. Oh, that's a good shell.
Look at that. Hanging in there, Binky?
She's doing good. She's loving it.
So Katie noticed this is all runoff from the fires out of the creek that's just up from here.
Wow, look at that.
You can see some of it is still kind of blackened a little bit.
Yeah.
It's everywhere. Look at that.
Oh, look, a brick.
There's a brick, yeah. Careful, Katie. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Whoa. Uh-oh. Now she's stuck. Oh! Oh my gosh. Another wave coming. Oh my gosh. You just got soaked.
I did.
Wow.
It feels kind of good though, I'm not gonna lie. Although now I have soggy feet. I'm gonna have to take my shoes off.
Splash Mountain right there.
There it was. If this isn't a perfect like Little Mermaid style chair from this angle,
yeah, look at that.
Standing.
Look at the slope of it.
Yeah, but look where I'm standing. It's like from the movie. Looks just like it. We'll sit in it.
Part of your world. All right, we found the locals' shack, the beach shelter.
Oh wow, what a pretty view. Wow. This is nice. This is a view from under here. This is fun.
It's like a fort.
I love it.
Yeah.
We found a fort. We found a fort.
You can sit on top of the platform too. We've hung out up there and brought chairs, and you know, everybody's out surfing and we're all hanging out, like all the neighbors and stuff, because it's kind of a little hideout here. Magic came to visit. Hi, buddy.
Good.
Good to see you, dude. Are you the king of the quarantine dogs?
Yeah.
You are, huh?
He's the quarantine king.
The quarantine king.
The quarantine king. There he is. Look at it. He's got stuff to snip.
Yeah.
He's gonna pee there, isn't he?
No, he's good.
I hope
he wanted to say hi. I think he's really just not concerned.
She's could care less. Love it.
He's checking the perimeter. Well, he went through a little cave right there. Only he and Binky could fit through that little cave right there.
That's it. Say hi, everyone. You'll see yourself on YouTube tomorrow.
We are rolling on.
Are they saying hi?
Yeah, they're saying hi.
Okay, the fastest people in there, you'll be.
I'm only gonna do it for another maybe 10 seconds.
There it is. cool.
There it is.
It's like every angle looks cool.
Every angle has a different kind of look to it. What's this? A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tower. I like that.
It's a pretty good one.
Now the beach, looking towards the beach silhouette angle. Look at that. They're sometimes referred to as Cairns, C-A-I-R-N-S, like the hiking community. They used to use them as markers for trails, I think, and stuff like that. Something fun to do. Anybody can do it. It just takes a little time and a little patience.
Cleo, Cleo. Oh, she has something.
Lady Cleo, they call her.
What do you have, Cleo?
She's very proud.
What does she have? Oh, a tennis ball.
Good girl.
Oh, a rock.
Oh, she's got a rock, yeah.
Rock.
She does that, dude.
She'll carry it.
She'll carry a rock.
One time she carried a rock, I think, for like, what, 2 or 3 miles.
Yeah.
No worries. Oh, look, the sun's starting to peek out.
Yeah, we're getting some blue sky. Look at this.
Yay!
I'll take it.
Yep, any little bit of sunshine. Oh, it's so nice. I can't believe how late it's gotten. We spent like almost a whole day out here.
We've made our way as slow as possible up the beach. Normally would take, that's like an 8-minute walk if you just...
Well, for you 8 minutes, maybe 15 for me. Your one step is like 12 of my steps.
Well, you know.
Yeah.
Hello. You know what we need to do?
Dance party?
At one point, Katie and I were in San Diego. We were hanging out with her parents.
You're right!
And for some reason, we were listening to Michael Jackson or Thriller or something, and we were like, oh, let's learn the Thriller dance. So we started going through the choreography bit by bit. Oh, there she goes. And Katie, like I was the choreographer, and Katie was
yeah,
also,
that was fun.
We were like trying to work out the moves.
Hair.
I couldn't do it. I was trying to keep up. It was hard. Katie
was
Katie was good. We're gonna learn a couple dances over this thing. I'm not a dancer, so please don't hold me to anything. But I will try. I'm not afraid to try. But I'll have to pick something cool. But she's already kind of been working on. She's already been working on Thriller, so I'm assuming she's going to want to kind of keep that one going.
I'm assuming I am too.
I got to figure out something cool. Think about it. Okay, so Cheeseball check-in. So the thing is, it hasn't changed. That I can tell you. But that doesn't mean we can't, you know, continue the show of Cheeseball check-in. It's like a show within a show.
Cheeseball check-in.
Yeah, we have a theme song. Anyways, Cheeseball check-in. Yeah, so not much has changed in Cheeseball world, which I think at this point we can take that as something normal that we can count on. We can count on the fact that the Cheeseball check-in is likely going to be the same for a lot of days in a row. And if I can count on anything right now, I'll take it. Even if it's Cheeseball height inside a giant container. If that is something that just calms my anxiety in these dread times, I'll take it, and I hope you do too.
This quarantine thing, it's rough, but I'm actually starting to like it. I'm not gonna lie. I miss going to Disneyland, yes, but I'm not mad about being able to just quarantine and chill. This is not a bad thing.
Okay, it's dinner time, and Katie, Chef Katie, the amazing Chef Katie, once again. Wow, what do you?
I got a box of those Cheddar Bay biscuits. I also made chili.
There's the chili right there.
Yeah.
That's what smells so good. Oh my gosh, look at that.
These will smell good.
In honor of your chili, I wore a special hat.
Oh, did you?
Oh my gosh. That smells so good. Yeah, I wore a special hat for a chili.
You did? A chili hat?
Well, you would think, you know, why isn't he wearing like a sombrero or something obvious? No, no. This is the right hat to wear for chili. You know why? Because you wear this hat when it's chilly out.
Where did you even get that hat? You don't need help.
Oh, smells so good.
Ooh, hello.
I feel like we're at Butter Me Mine. It's time to test the chili.
Chili and biscuit. You can put some biscuit on yours. Look.
Oh, you can put a piece of biscuit
Here,
on
I'm
it.
gonna crumble some and put some on there. Boom. Because it works.
Have literally the perfect bite.
You really do.
Do you have everything on there?
Yes, I do.
Cheers. Thank you, chef.
You're welcome.
Stick that here.
Good?
That was the everything bite. It was perfect. Thank you. That's going to do it for today, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the beach walk.
Yes, it was fun.
Yeah.
Hope you're all staying positive. We love you. Thank you again. If you want to see more, remember we have daily videos coming at you.
Yep.
Just make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on your bell notifications. We are going to be going live next Wednesday for What's Happening Wednesday.
It's back.
And don't forget to, if you would like to support our channel, I will link all that information on how to become a Patreon member in the description box below.
That's right, and I might consider taking off this hat in maybe, I don't know, 2-3 days, something like that. But we'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody! What do you call these?
They're the Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuits.
Cheddar Bay.
I did it on Instagram, I just did it again!
So what are those right there?
Cheddar Bay Biscuits and chili.
Yeah, but what's the brand?
Red
You gotta say that. You gotta say the whole brand. Ready?
They're the red.
Hold on. Ready? Here, hold on. Wait. Ready?
They are the Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuits.
You see, you can't do it. Wait. Okay.
They're the Red Lobster.
Hold on. I didn't even say anything yet.
Dang it!
Okay.
It's hot over here. The oven's on. The burner's on. It's hot.
Hold on. I have to.
Okay.
So what are you doing over here? See, we've completely lost our minds already. It's not even been that many days. I'm wearing a Russian hat, and Katie made chili. And she's making Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuit.
Cheddar Bay.
Yes.
Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuits.
You did it.
Why are you so dark?
You did it. I don't know.
Why is it so dark on us? Is the light not on?
It's my hat. It's blocking, and I feel like somebody's next to me. I keep I turn and it's like, oh.
It's like the tapping.
Binky, stop judging me.